Here we have a practically brand new 2022 FXBBS Softail Street Bob in Fastback Blue. Comes with the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine. Super smooth throttle response. Whole lot of power and torque. Mid-mount controls. And there's also an added Harley-Davidson engine crash guard. You can double as a highway peg, throw your feet up, stretch them out. Does have the solo seat with added passenger pillion. And there's a monoshock underneath that seat, preload adjustable, and passenger peg so you can take someone along for the ride. .114 badging on the derby cover, and center fill gas cap. Super clean tank, nothing to clutter it up. And they moved the analog digital display on the bars. We're looking at 25 miles on the odometer. Beautiful blacked out wheel in the front. Chop fender to show it off. Let's go ahead and hear cold start.